Has Windows automatically downloaded an update on your PC and you do not want it to install? No worries. I will show you a proper simple fix in just few steps. Just stay with me till the end and don't skip any part. Step 1. First, open command prompt as administrator. Then copy the command I have given in the video description. Paste it into command prompt and hit enter. And automatically process will begin. Just let it finish. Step 2. Open File Explorer and go to the drive where we installed Windows. Usually it's C drive. Find and open folder named Windows. Press the S key to quickly find the folder named Software Distribution. Open it and then open the folder called Download inside it. Select all the files inside this folder and now delete it. Don't delete it like normally. Now press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete these files. This removes all updates and files that were downloaded automatically. After this, I recommend you to disable your Windows updates manually. If you don't know it, you can see my video. I've already uploaded it. You can see the link in the description and also in the I button. Now restart your PC. I'm going to restart mine to show you. Since I don't have a professional camera, I will record the rest using my phone. So please adjust for the quality. When turning off, you might see applying updates. But don't worry, no actual update will be installed because the files were deleted. It will show for a moment and shut down. After turning it back on, you might still see update and restart. But again, that's just a leftover button. You can simply click it. No updates will restall. If this video helped you even a little bit, please like it and share it with anyone who's facing the same issue. Have a question? Drop a comment. I'll be here to help. See you in the next video. Take care.